talk about yawning. And no, it's not just because you're bored. A yawn happens when your brain needs more oxygen or your body is trying to cool down your brain. That big inhale brings fresh air, and that exhale regulates the body temperature. So, the fun fact is, yawning is contagious, and seeing someone yawn can even make you yawn too. That's your brain being social. Yawn also happens when you're stressed, tired, or after a big meal. It's your body way of saying, come on, it's time to rest. So next time you yawn in a meeting, just remember your body's trying to keep your brain cool and calm.